tell my friends, welcome back to my channel. And today I have a few little pieces that I bought from Temu, jewelry, few rings, the stuff that I love, and I wanted to share them with you all today. So the first thing I got, I don't know why it's locked, but is this here. They're very, very big, chunky style pearls. Yeah, quite big actually. They're super pretty, and it has a layering. So this is the first part that you would layer in closer to your neck, something similar to a choker. And then the next one, because it's a two-piece set and they're not expensive, so I will also put them in my link tree. Everything you find here will be in my link tree under Temu. So this is the second. So this one's just a little bit longer, and the other one is just a little bit shorter, but they all come with this lobster claw closure on it and a little bit of an extension chain, so you can adjust the length of it to whatever that you like best. So that was the first one. Oh, it has another piece. Oh, it has a little heart on it that you can put on or leave off. Oh, that's very beautiful. I'm super excited about that. So nice. Okay, next one is this chain. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay. I believe this one's also two pieces, because what it looked like online was that it had two pieces to the chain. So yep, it does. So this one is the longer length one, and it has a little heart on it. And this little heart will stay on. It's not removable. So this one will stay on. This is very nice. So this will come in very handy when I wear the CC bags that have this kind of a shoulder strap on it. So that was my intent. And it also comes with an adjustable part for the chain and a little lobster claw clasp. And this is the first part, so it's a little bit longer. And then the second part to it is more like a shorter one that is a little bit like a choker. So it would go closer to the neck. And it also came with a little bit of an adjustable chain on it and the lobster claw closure. So 2 out of 2, beautiful, not doing too bad so far. And the next one, because I have 4 things to share with you today, and the next one is a ring. So excited about these, my friends, so excited. This is like a little gold, it's not little either, a gold heart. Really, it's very nice. And it really is quite heavy. So today I have on my silver coin ring, and this one too is linked in my link tree, and you'll find it there under Temu. And they're not expensive, but the quality of them is really very good. And I never had any trouble with them tarnishing my finger or turning a funny color. Even when I wear them during the day and wash my hands several times, they still are very good quality. So this one here is very big, chunky heart. It has weight to it. It's incredible, but so nice. Okay, I love this kind of stuff. Chunky style. And I got another one. This is the last piece of jewelry that I will share with you today, but this one is silver. So my friend, maybe I just might change my coin ring today and wear this heart ring. This is so nice. Big chunky styled heart, but they are really weighty. They have some weight to it, and I bought smaller sizes. I used to get an 8 to fit my finger, but they kept falling off, so I got them all in a size 7, so they fit really nice on my finger. Yes, good job Shelley. Okay. We're all here for the bougie. but we stay for the budget. Let's do that again. We're all here for the bougie, but we stay for the budget. We are all here for the bougie, but we stay for the budget. You know, I have like 10 minutes on here. We're all here for the bougie, but we stay for the budget. We're all here for the bougie, but we stay for the budget. If you are here for the bougie and you want to save on your budget, click the like button and follow for more. If you are here for the bougie and you want to save some budget, do this again, shall I? Get better at this. If you are here for the bougie and you want to save some budget, no, this is not good. If you are here for the bougie and you want to save some budget, click the like button and follow for more. If you are here for the bougie and you want to save some budget, hit the like button and follow for more. If you are here for the bougie and you want to save some budget, hit the like button and follow for more.